Hello and welcome to the
Magic Pop Goggle Socks TV.
a channel for children who like to draw. My name's Andrew. This is
Ember.
This is
Tor.
and this is
Yuli.
Today we're going to be doing a few different tutorials. We're going to be drawing Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. We're going to be drawing a spider. We're going to be drawing Ember and Tor's pet Midnight, the rabbit. And we're also going to be drawing
Captain Kitty Me. Him over there.
Okay, shall we get started?
Yes!
Let's begin. First of all, we're going to do the eyes. So we're doing it portrait about here.
Eyes hard.
Yeah? We've drawn eyes many times on this show, haven't we? Yeah?
We've drawn
Okay.
the realistic.
Yeah, so it's kind of like halfway between realistic eyes and cartoon eyes. Okay, so about here, what we're going to do is we're going to do some light, one eye here, one eye there, and we're kind of going to make the line curve up a little bit, like that. Okay,
That's her eye.
that's the bottom of her eye, and then on this side again, I'm going to do one
This Sharpie isn't
curving
working
up a bit.
well.
Let's get you a different Sharpie.
I want to get one.
There you go.
I have mine.
You got one? Okay.
Yep.
Are we done? Okay, so then we're going to do like a round arch, okay? And it's going to be
Wait,
slightly
I saw that one.
round at this side, okay? So we're going to...
Is that?
That's looking good, no, that's great. Okay, so then from here, this corner, we're going to go up and round like that,
Why is it not connecting?
and up. We'll connect it in a little while, okay? Okay, we got that?
Yeah.
Now, in here, we're going to draw a circle. So like that, and like that.
It's kind of realistic, but not.
Yeah, it's sort of like halfway in between.
But
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah. Now in the middle, we're going to do like a C shape, like that. And then we're going to do another one on that side. And we're going to make it a little bit thicker, so I'm going to go around it again, just to make the middle of her eyes a bit thicker.
What colour eyes does she have?
She's got blue eyes.
Does she?
Yeah, she does. Right, now at the moment they look a little bit stirry and a bit scary, okay?
Wait, does she have eyes like me?
She does have eyes a bit similar to you,
No,
okay?
but she has eyes like you.
A bit like me, like half and half.
No.
Your shape and my colour. Yeah. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the eyelashes, okay? Instead of doing them as lines, what we're going to do is kind of do like a little scribbly shape, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to kind of go like this.
Kind of hairy, but not.
Yeah, not that hairy. So we do a little scribble
Not
like that.
this wide.
Yeah. So we're not like the spider, okay? We do a little scribbly, scribble, 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 like that. Yeah. And then we're going to do a little bit on this bit
Wait,
of the.
I'm not done.
Oh, okay. Okay, and we're going to do a little bit along this side here. So just under the underside of the eye there.
Mine looks great.
So from here to there, we're going to go a little scribble, 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 like that. Scribble, 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 scribble. Okay, and that joins up like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here, just up from the corner of the eyes, let's do a little dot there and a little dot there.
What is
Okay.
that? Eyebrow?
That's where our eyebrows are going to start, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to do an arch like that, and an arch like that.
Is she most black?
She's mostly black, okay? So we're going to then make the eyebrow a little bit wider, so I'm going to go again like that.
Are we going to colour it in?
Yeah,
But does she have brown hair?
she does, don't worry, because the fringes, that's the next thing we're going to do, which is the fringe, okay?
I'm not done.
Most of the fringe is actually going to cover her eyebrows, but we kind of need the right shape
It might
so
be
that they
like
pop out in the
shadow or
right way.
something.
Yeah. Right, so here, let's do a little dot there.
Here?
Yep. And then let's do a little dot halfway between the eyes there.
Oh, that looks creepy.
Okay?
It's a bit creepy.
Right, so for her hair, we're going to do like a leaf shape. So I'm going to go a leaf, curve that way, and
That looks a
curve
bit
that
like
way.
an Indian.
Yeah, it does a little bit look like a bindi, doesn't it, at the moment? But that's her fringe, okay? Yeah, and then I'm going to do a straight line that side, and a straight line that side. And then I'm going to go over the eyebrows, don't worry about that, because most of her hair is going to be black anyway. So we're going to go round and join
now
up,
I get it.
and round and join up. Okay? I'm going to do the same this side. So I'm going to go round like that and round like that.
Oh, that's for like this bit.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay. And then if I draw some straight lines in the middle, like that, and then like this.
Hairline. Can I do it like whatever?
Yeah, we're just trying to make it curve though, because that's where like her hair's growing out from. Yeah, and it'll help describe the shape. Okay, we got that bit? Okay, so just down a bit from about here. We're going to do her nostrils. We'll just keep it simple.
Why does she not have a whole nose like us?
She does have a whole nose, but it's soft. If you draw things very strongly, it tends to make the person look older. But because you're young, your skin is much softer than mine. Yeah, so it's kind of the shapes are more subtle. Okay, so we're just going to do little nostrils there, and then when we colour in, we're going to give it some more shape. Then we're going to do her mouth. So we drop down about here. Yeah, about there. Okay, and she kind of is a bit cheeky, isn't she?
No, she isn't.
She is a bit.
What does she do?
Just in the, you know, we've watched the movies, haven't you? Right?
No, I haven't.
You're teasing me. I know you've watched the movies. Right. So instead of doing it straight across, we're just going to put it at a little bit of an angle. So I'm going to curve up a bit like that. Okay.
Like that?
Yeah, and then we just do like a little line in the corner and a little line in the corner there.
She does not look any happy.
Wait till we do the mouth. So down here we're going to do like a big U shape, okay? So we're going down, looping round, and then back up.
Does it not look like?
Don't worry, wait till we finished, okay? So then I'm going to do another little loop in like that, okay? And do you want to try the other pens and the new pens, yeah? So if we use these.
They new.
Okay, well we haven't used these before on a magic pencil, okay? So what we're going to do is, her fangs aren't as big as Dracula's, are they? They're quite small.
Yeah, because she's younger.
Yeah, exactly.
She's
so
118.
Only 118. She's just a baby, okay?
No, she isn't.
So we just do...
She's very old, but she doesn't look like that.
We just do a little V shape, like that. That's it.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to join that up, like that. And then in the middle, we're going to kind of almost do a heart, but instead of it being pointy at the bottom, it's going to be rounded. So I'm going to do a shape like that, like a beam for her tongue.
More like a heart.
More like a heart, but it's not pointy at the end, okay? Okay, so next thing to do, although we only see a little bit of it, is to do her ears. So the ears are going to start near the corners of the eyes, so just out from there.
Don't connect.
No, not going to be connected, so there's going to be like a finger space distance, okay? So I'm just going to do a curve like that, and on this side I'm going to do a curve like that, okay? All right, now we've got to do this side where the hairline is. So it kind of is slightly at an angle, so we're going to go like that, and like that. And then we're going to curve and make it join the fringe. So we're going to curve it in.
She has short hair like me.
She does have short hair like you. In fact, I'm kind of wondering, are you Mavis Dracula?
No, I don't have fangs.
Okay. Are you sure you don't have fangs? Are you sure they're not coming through? Okay. Right, so the chin.
I'm not 118.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay then. Right, let's put a little curve just where the chin is. So
And I do not have a fringe.
You don't have a fringe, that's the difference. Okay. So just here, we're going to do a little bit of a curve like that.
That does not look like her at all.
Doesn't it?
No.
I need to practice my drawing skills then, don't I? Okay, so we're going to draw out this way and round.
That's because it's not her. She's not done.
Okay, so we're going to do a curve like that.
You missed a bit here.
Yeah, don't worry. So I'm going to do a neck and then I can sort that out. Okay, and we're going to do another. So try to get it to match.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to do another curve like that. Okay. And then here, I'm going to do a curve that way. And here I'm going to do a curve that way. Okay?
Why are we missing so many?
You know what we're missing now? We need to do her hair, don't we? So here, I'm going to do like a wavy line coming out like that. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side because her hair kind of flicks out.
Is that her?
Okay, yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, and then we can just curve and curl up like that. And then curve and reach out to where the ears are. Okay, it's got quite a lot of volume on the top, so let's try to start adding
Now it looks like that.
some volume to the top of her hair. Okay.
But that's a bit where it like the
Yeah. Okay. So we're trying to join up to that bit in the middle. Okay.
Wait, do it.
Now some of the hair comes in front of the ears like that. So just a little bit of her ears pokes through. And also some of her hair flicks out at the side.
Do that.
Okay, well you can do like zigzags, yeah? Okay. Okay.
What about the bit?
Yeah, she's got the sticky bit on the top, hasn't she?
Do we have to do that?
Do we have to do that? It's
No,
kind of part of her trademark, isn't it?
There's black bit.
Don't worry, because
wanna do
most of her hair is black, but with little bits of brown. Okay, so let's join that bit up on the top there like that. And then we're going to do like a wavy line there. And then a little diagonal line coming out like that. And then another little line like that.
Can we make them a bit thicker?
Yeah, that exactly. So you make them thicker at the base. So just here, so they kind of become more triangular. See? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so along here we want to colour this in black, don't we?
But I don't really this much. Wow.
Yeah, that's good. We just want to get a bit of definition
Mine is
between the
running out.
hair
It's
and the
running
cheek.
out.
You need to get a new Sharpie then, don't you?
How many should you Sharpie
Okay.
do I have to get? Just gonna
All right.
get this perfect.
And then we're going to do the neck. Okay, so the neck kind of angles in a little bit.
It's squishy.
So, like that and like that. Cool. And then for the shoulders, we're kind of going to have it angled down a little bit. So it's going to go down like that and then like that. Down like that and then like that.
Why are we not doing the whole body?
We can do the whole body another time, can't we? Yeah? All right. So let's learn how to do her face and then we can do her body. Okay, so that's her polo neck, isn't it? There, all right? So then all of this is black, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be the hard bit.
Okay.
But
So,
we can do that when we're colouring it.
yes,
not
that's
with
what I was
the
going to say, is shall we now start colouring it in? Wow, what amazing artwork. Give us a high five. Not a face palm. That was amazing drawings. Well done. I'm really, really, really impressed. Just to remind everybody, we've got a competition where you could win this amazing
Book on how to draw realistic.
you'd like to win this competition, follow us on our Facebook page. The competition is open until the end of this month, when you can win this amazing book. Our Facebook page is Magic Pencil Art for Kids. I hope you enjoyed our tutorials. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.